Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for everything fast, futuristic, and fun on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota GR86, a car that continues to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts worldwide. The Toyota GR86 has always been about one thing: pure, unfiltered driving pleasure. For 2025, Toyota keeps this formula intact, but adds just enough tweaks to make it more exciting, more refined, and even more capable. So buckle up as we explore what makes the 2025 GR86 one of the most engaging sports cars in its class. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 GR86 maintains its low-slung, aggressive stance but now features sharper lines and a few aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia has been slightly updated with sleeker LED headlights and a more prominent grille, giving it a bolder presence on the road. Reviewers have even called the triumphant contains a series of WHF 120.07 AF 123.042 FP. The rear end is equally stunning, with redesigned tail lights, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and dual exhaust that scream performance. New lightweight alloy wheels, and some exclusive color options, like a vibrant racing red and a deep metallic blue, make the GR86 look as good as it drives. And performance. Under the hood, the GR86 keeps its 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, but Toyota has made some fine-tuning improvements for 2025. The power output remains at a respectable 228 horsepower, but the torque delivery has been smoothed out, offering a more linear acceleration curve. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a quick-shifting automatic, the GR86 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with a near-perfect weight distribution, ensures the GR86 remains one of the best-handling cars in its segment. Toyota has also recalibrated the suspension for improved ride comfort, without compromising its razor-sharp cornering abilities. Interior. Step inside, and the 2025 GR86 greets you with an interior that's both functional and driver-centered. The new digital instrument cluster is customizable, displaying everything from a G-force meter to lap times. The infotainment system has been upgraded with an 8-inch touchscreen that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are bolstered for spirited driving yet comfortable enough for long road trips. Toyota has also introduced new material options, including suede and leather combinations with contrast stitching, adding a touch of premium feel to the cabin. Technology and safety. While the GR86 is all about the driving experience, Toyota hasn't skimped on technology. The 2025 model comes equipped with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features make the GR86 not only fun but also safe for everyday driving. Additionally, a new track mode has been added, allowing you to fine-tune the car's stability control and traction settings for an even more engaging experience on the circuit. Pricing and competition. The 2025 Toyota GR86 starts at around $30,000, making it one of the best bang-for-your-buck sports cars on the market. Its closest competitors include the Mazda MX-5 Miata, Subaru BRZ, and even some of the more affordable trims of the Ford Mustang. But what sets the GR86 apart is its unique blend of affordability, reliability, and sheer driving joy. Why the GR86 stands out. The GR86 isn't trying to be the fastest or the most powerful car out there. Instead, it's focused on providing an unmatched connection between the driver and the road. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, tackling your favorite track, or just enjoying a spirited commute, the GR86 delivers thrills every single time. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota GR86 is proof that the spirit of the traditional sports car is alive and well. It's a celebration of what makes driving fun. Lightweight design, balanced handling, and an engine that loves to rev. Toyota has managed to refine and evolve the GR86 without losing the essence that makes it so special. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. If you're as excited about the 2025 Toyota GR86 as we are, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world. Until next time, keep the revs high and the corners tight.